Guys, welcome to Only Math 12 Point. Today we are going to discuss geometric progression of multiple choice. Example 3. Okay, what is given here? How many terms are there in the GP series? That is 2, 4, 8, so on 128. So there is given one series. So in that we don't know for which term it becomes 128. Okay, we need to find the value of n here. So they gave options here. A equal to, that is first option, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, n equal to 7, n equal to 8. So let's solve the sum. First write down what is given in the question. Given that t1, that is first term given as 2, second term given as 4, third term is given as 8. Okay, so we need to find r value and n value. So before solving this, first find the r value. What is common ratio value? That is t2 by t1, that equal t3 by t2. So substitute the values. So t2, second term is 4, first term is 2. So simplify, we get r equal to 2. So what is general term of GP? That is Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. So substitute the values. Tn, that is last term, is 128. That equal to a value is 2, r value we go as 2, we go it as 2, power n minus 1. So what it implies? Make n as subject. So send 2 to LHS and simplify. We get 64 equal to 2n power minus 1. So we can write 64 as a power notation. So that implies 2 power 6. So cancel like terms, we get n equal to 7, guys. Okay. So what do you observe from this? In the above GP series, seventh term needed to reach 128. So this is option 6. So option C, guys, n equal to 7. I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.